Hi everyone, with me today I have this professional drone I got from Amazon. There's so many different features to talk about when it comes to this product. First off, setting it up was incredibly simple because they have a user-friendly app, and in the app you're going to find a guide video to help you get started step by step. You calibrate your drone and you connect your phone to the remote and you're ready to take off with a fun flight. You also have the 360-degree laser obstacle avoidance right here on the top, which prevents collision with obstacles like people, trees, and buildings. Plus, there's an auto return feature to ensure the drone returns even if it loses connections or runs low on battery. When you click it, it's going to make the drone go up super high, and then it's going to connect to your remote via GPS, making sure it goes back to exactly where you are. It also features a 4K HD camera, and it provides stable, crisp 4K video and allows you to capture stunning footage with the 130-degree lens and 50 times digital zoom, whether it's day or night. You also get extended flight time because you enjoy 41 minutes of flight per battery, and guess what? It includes 2 batteries, so the fun never stops. You also get long range control and transmission because it flies incredibly high and there's no freezing or delays to make sure you get smooth control in real-time video feed. It also has smart features for every condition, including rainproof technology, night vision, and resistance to strong winds. As I said, it includes the auto return, GPS follow, and 360-degree surround shooting for more versatile recording of flights. It is also FAA certified as well. I absolutely adored playing around with this and I can't wait to do it again. So are you ready to upgrade your drone game? If you are, check out this drone with professional grade features and long distance control for an enhanced experience. You can get yours now on Amazon and start capturing breathtaking footage today.